the 2025 Supernats. So far so good. See you there.
On minute one of Supernats.
Minute one of Supernats. So Jack got put up the front with all the nice cars, ready for the Participants' Choice Awards. I, however, turned up a Volkswagen, so I am the other end of the field, all the way over there. Even if you zoom it, you might have to do that Google Earth thing where it goes up and then comes back down, because I am all the way over there. I'm very far away. Luckily, I'm not butthurt about it. It's my fault for bringing the Volkswagen to a hot rod show. Why would I do that? But yeah, it's very nice. Hot rods.
Did you have fun?
I always find Mike's weird. I'm so far away from you. And now I'm back. But yet the volume has not changed. Hello, should we go look at some hot rods?
Lights got a hold on me, you can tell by the way I'm talking. I see they got a hold on you, I can tell by the way you've been walking. It's getting hot, mama. It's getting hot. It's getting hot, mama. It's getting hot.
Welcome to hour 2 or 3 of the Supernats. Hot. We're walking around, there's lots of very nice cars. Children are pets. Yes. Oh, I got to say, not many Volkswagens, which is a shame. Really upset about that. Shock.
It's getting hot, mama. Oh, it's getting hot. The bright lights got a hold on me. You can tell by the holes in my pockets. So before they get a hold on you, put your money in a safe and lock it. It's getting hot, mama. Oh, it's getting hot. It's getting hot, mama. Yeah, it's getting hot.
Small update. I feel like I was missold. This place is huge. I'm tired of walking already.
You've been missold, PPI?
I have been missold. I didn't realise this place was this big. Also, why is summer here again? Oh, Chris, you're like someone's mum with all your snacks.
Yeah, I don't know.
I'm so well prepared.
It's getting hot. It's getting hot, mama. It's getting hot. That light's got a hold on me. I'm hurting, man. I'm bleeding.
am so hot.
It's getting close to home time.
Yeah, it is getting very close to home time, and then I think we're going to have a little lovely drive back, some nice rollers, and a burger.
Sweat marks.
You're going to be in a very hot car. I'm going to open my roof.
It's already open.
My roof is already open.
Oh, you know the seats are going to be so hot.
Oh.
Oh, they're going to burn when you sit down.
Yeah.
I was waiting for them
Yeah, they're going to rough around.
Wish us luck.
We're going home.
Home time.
Oh.
I've got sway, I've got swagger, all in the open, no cloak and dagger, bow tie, and crocodile shoes, dressed to the nines when I sell my blues. The snake or salesman, that's me. For whatever is ailing you, I got the remedy. Yeah, that snake or salesman, that's me. Don't look too close, best from afar. The murky light of the dim down bar. You've heard rumors, well they're all true. But what I've got is just right for you. The snake.
So, the thumbnail and the title of this video. I was a bit sceptical about UK hot rodding. I'd not really seen much evidence of it. But Chris is obviously, through Terry, his dad, has been, in and around hot rods all the time, and he has always said, yeah, there's, good hot rods, but both of us doubted about, especially about what's in Norfolk, because you don't see anything. But I have to say, after attending that event yesterday, that was hands down probably the best car event I've actually been to in my life. There was a good variety. There was more cars than you could film. I'm no cinematic filmer. I just obviously made that little bit you've just watched, but I had 38 minutes worth of footage. I had to snip down, so there was a lot of cars there. And it was all organised well. We got there, got in quick. But anyway, we don't care about organisation. But yeah, hot rodding is well and truly alive in the UK. The only thing I will say is more people need to see it. I've always been into cars, and I've never been to the Supernuts. I've never, been around any of that. So I don't know how that happens. I'm not trying to badmouth any of the NSRA because they're nothing but golden. But yeah, I don't know how we get younger people into that sort of thing. All in all, though, that was a terrific day, and I would recommend the Supernuts to anyone who's into cars. And I will be going for the full weekend next year. In other news, we have 4 new air fresheners have arrived. That's black, which is black ice. That's like a burgundy brown kind of grape, yellow mango, and black cherry. Not the band, but the air freshener. I will list them on the website now, so they should be on there by the time this video is out, but if they're not, apologies. And next week's video is on the van. Now, that would have been this week's, but we had an impromptu trip out, and I promised I'd do good videos from now on, so that one needs more filming. But as always, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, because that helps. And see you next week.
I was able to get in the doors.